Okay, so yesterday we didn't take a trade. You guys were all waiting for Bra Fibs on the edge of your seats, hoping that I can come with a trade entry. Well, unless you are willing to get stuck in this chop, because this was just a serious chop. Look, I mean, we have some price action over here. We have down, up, down again, and now we don't know what's gonna happen. But let's take a deeper look and see. This is gonna be a quick video, guys. Today I'm super busy, so I don't know if I'm gonna be around to take the trade entry. But if I am, I will show you guys and I will update you guys. But right now, what I want to explain is yesterday we had 3 reasons not to take a trade. Mostly people are looking for 3 reasons to take a trade. We gave ourselves rather 3 reasons not to take a trade. Reason number one was there was no setup. Okay, there's no setup, there's no trade. Reason number two, it was a Monday. And reason number three, it was the beginning of a month. Okay, so on the beginning of a month, it's dangerous to trade because you don't know is market making the lower week or the upper week of the market. You understand? So if it's making the lower week, which I said I think it did. If it's making the lower week, then the rest of the month should be quite bullish. Okay. And I mean, with that gap that we experienced yesterday, we're currently seeing now that the gap has been filled. Okay. I feel like it might act as some kind of support for the market to go up. But I'm still waiting for another drop. So what I'm waiting for currently is this Wyckoff schematic to kind of play out here. Right? So we have our psychological level, right? And then up here we have the last supply that needs to be broken in order to confirm bullishness in the market. Okay, we have the seller's climax over here, automatic rally, secondary test. Okay, and now I'm hoping that the market goes for a secondary test in phase B over here. Or you could argue on the 1 minute that we've already had our tests and stuff like that, but the schematic is not looking clean on the 1 minute. So I'd rather keep it down to the 5 minute and await the secondary test in phase B. There's still a lot of time to form a lot of time to pause before we have to actually take a trade. Okay, so we're obviously waiting for it to go down below this levels. Okay, and hopefully not break this level over here on the 4 hour. That's the only level that we need to hold to validate this trade. But we'll see how price develops, how price comes into this area, how price takes liquidity over here. You understand? And then from there we can say maybe we have a trade. But as of this moment, right here, right now, we don't have anything. And if I'm not here with you guys to take your hand and guide you through today's price action, I want you guys to maybe figure it out on your own. Not saying you guys have to trade off the spring, okay? Once the spring forms and the market moves up and breaks the supply zones, okay, you can actually use those supply zone breaks, the breaks of those supply zones, and then the retest of those supply zones to actually get in, okay? So if you're not going to take the trade on the spring and you feel like it's a bit too risky for you, which it is for most people, right? Wait for the supply zone break and retests. Okay. So allow this price action to fully develop. Okay, allow the schematic to play out and show us where it wants to go, because I thought markets were just going to be super bearish from this point. Okay, but clearly we stopped here. We're seeing some strength in this area towards the upside, but nothing too convincing to get into a trade. So yeah, guys, just wait for it. See what happens. There's a week over here on the 1 hour. I'm not sure if you guys can see it clearly, but there's a wick on the 1 hour over here, which I'm drawing out, and that will be my demand zone that I'm looking for market to just tap into slightly, and hopefully that will be the spring, and then we can take the market up. As you know, the world's richest demo trader just funded a new account. Okay, after banking 17 grand profits last week. Guys, those videos are really going to help you. I don't want to beg you to watch them or anything. It's for your own benefit. But what I do suggest is go over them, look at what we've seen for the past week. I mean, the past week was a very rangy week, and for us to be successful in that week says a lot, because a lot of traders are only successful in weeks like this where they get big movements. We try and get in big movements, more movements, whatever we can get, we take from the market, provided that the market gives us our rule set and our criteria to enter a trade. So, guys, as I said, I'm busy today. I don't know if I'm going to be able to send a trade entry or anything like that. But as I can keep you updated, I will keep you updated. So, have a good one, guys.